Thanks for meeting with me, Sophia. I've been working in AI development for 2 years now, but I feel like I'm not maximizing my potential.
That's exactly why I wanted to chat. The AI landscape is evolving rapidly, and there are so many opportunities people miss. What's your biggest challenge right now?
Honestly, monetization. I have the skills, but I'm not sure how to turn them into a sustainable business.
Let's break this down into three key areas. First, how are you currently showcasing your AI expertise?
Mainly through GitHub projects and some freelance work.
It's a start, sure, but Alex, there's so much untapped potential. Think about it. AI expertise isn't a one-trick pony. Have you ever considered AI consulting?
Isn't that market completely saturated already?
Not even close. Most businesses are still stumbling around in the dark when it comes to implementing AI. Just last month, I charged a manufacturing company $5,000 for a 2-day workshop. All we did was point out where they could use AI in their supply chain. AI audits for businesses, custom model development, technical training programs, that's where the bread and butter is. But the real money? That's in specialization.
Specialization. What do you mean?
Don't be a generalist. Become the go-to expert for AI in healthcare, financial services, or retail. I know someone pulling in $300,000 a year just focusing on computer vision for retail inventory.
That's impressive. But what about the future? What should we be positioning ourselves for in 2025?
Now you're asking the right questions. Let me show you something. The most profitable AI businesses in 2025 will fall into these categories. First, AI-powered automation services. Think specialized chatbots for specific industries. Second, predictive analytics platforms. And third, AI infrastructure management.
Infrastructure management.
Yes. As more companies deploy AI, they need help managing and optimizing their AI systems. It's like being an AI systems administrator, but more sophisticated.
Speaking of infrastructure, I've been thinking about building my own AI SaaS product, but it seems overwhelming.
It doesn't have to be. The key is starting small and focusing on a specific problem. What industry do you know best?
I used to work in real estate before tech.
Perfect. Here's how you could approach building an AI SaaS for real estate. Start with a simple but valuable feature like automated property valuation, then expand to market analysis, then maybe buyer matching. This is a SaaS platform I helped develop. We started with one feature and now have 12. Revenue grew from 0 to 50,000 monthly in 18 months.
How did you handle the technical architecture?
That's crucial. Let me show you our stack. You need 3 layers: the AI engine, the API layer, and the user interface. Start with serverless architecture to keep costs low. Use microservices to add features gradually.
What about marketing? How do you get those first customers?
Build in public. Share your journey on LinkedIn and Twitter. Create content about your development process. Early adopters love seeing behind the scenes. This post about our AI architecture got us our first 3 enterprise clients. But here's what most people miss about AI SaaS.
What's that?
The AI itself isn't enough. You need to solve a real business problem and make it dead simple to use. Our most successful feature isn't our most technologically advanced. It's the one that saves customers the most time. Before we wrap up, let me give you 3 action items. First, choose your specialization, either an industry or specific AI application. Second, start creating content to position yourself as an expert. Third, begin building your minimum viable product.
How do I know if I'm on the right track?
Set these benchmarks. Within 3 months, have your first paying client or user. Within 6 months, have a repeatable acquisition process. Within a year, reach $10,000 in monthly recurring revenue. Remember, it's still early days for AI. The opportunities we're seeing now, just the tip of the iceberg. Build fast, iterate faster.
This has been incredibly helpful. One last question. What's the biggest mistake you see people making?
Waiting for perfection. In AI, done is better than perfect. The tech is evolving too damn fast. Wait for everything to align. You'll miss the whole damn thing. Start with what you know. Solve real problems and keep building. That's how you'll succeed in the AI economy of 2025 and beyond.